All right, guys, we got it again. Show another property, 7026 Galaxy Brook, here in San Antonio. Galaxy Brook, sorry, here in San Antonio, guys. Just down the street from Lackland Air Force Base, from Highway 90 and Highway 410. Beautiful neighborhood, quiet area. Might be a little bit louder since I think the highway's closer, but really peaceful neighborhood. Again, we're on the we're on the what would be southwest side of the city. This home is a 4.5, built in 2014, and has 2,300 square feet on it. Again, it has brick in the front. Nice little entrance here. We have our windows on top. All right, right when we walk in, we have some tile flooring. There's different flooring here, but looks like the tile was the original, and they try to replace there. Little dining area, perfect for hosting parties. Right when you walk in, then you have the door, the one behind us. Right, then to my right, we have this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Look at this, guys, this is nice. All right, the refrigerator does not come with this one, but it does include the dishwasher, which is here. Your dryer, your oven and your microwave. Right when you walk in, here's our entrance door. When you walk in to the top, we have our other rooms. The master's downstairs. So here's our laundry room, and then we have a 2-car garage here. All right. Let's go ahead and go into the master, guys. Let's go in the master. We have our half bath that's used. And our half bath that's used for the downstairs guests. This is what our kitchen looks like, guys. 30-inch cabinets, mocha color, stainless steel. Looks great. Recessed lighting in the kitchen, looks beautiful. All right, so the master bedroom continues with the wood flooring, the vinyl flooring. Large room, has a ceiling fan in this one, and this is what your backyard looks like. It can use some love, but it's nice and leveled. We'll go out there and see it in a bit. All right, here you go again. Nice size room, guys. Plenty of space. And for our master, we walk in, we have our double vanity sink here after we get in. All right, on the end we have a garden tub, and on the opposite side we have a stand-up shower. Look at that. All right, beautiful stand-up shower. And walk into the room, your walk-in closet. Feels very similar to one that I showed you guys recently. And then we have our bathroom. This is one that I just showed you guys on Vega. If you haven't seen that one, there's a video on Vega. It's the same property, but this one is not staged like the other one, so it doesn't look as cute, right? Or it doesn't look as comfy or warming. But let's go ahead and go upstairs, guys. We already counted these steps. We know there's 14 because we counted the other one. Same model home. All right, guys, so we have 2 windows up here in our landing area. Our neighbors have solar panels, and we also have solar panels here, guys. All right, so this is what the landing looks up. Remember the other home in Vega had couches and bookshelves and a TV up here? This is it, was an empty version of it. Right, upstairs to the left, we have our one room. Rooms have ceiling fans, windows, nice lighting. Like we have a full bath that they share. And then we have the second room. Here, again, good lighting. Let's see what the front yard looks like. The window's cracked, we can get that negotiated. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ceiling fans. And then we have that's room number 3, or 3 if you count the master, or 2 if you're only counting upstairs. But another good sized room, guys. This is what our neighborhood looks like. This is what the neighborhood looks like. Really close to Lackland Air Force Base, like I mentioned. All right, so let me go ahead and take you guys downstairs now and show you guys the backyard and the rest of the living room. All right, 1, 2, we counted them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, guys, 15. I think it said 14. All right, here, the height goes up at an angle. And let me go ahead and open up upstairs. We outside, I'm sorry, we also have concrete landing out here. And we have a nice ceiling fan outside. All right, guys, pretty quiet. You guys can see it's a little bit of an incline going down towards the back of the yard, which is great for weather. House has solar panel, guys. Beautiful home. Beautiful, beautiful home. Let's go ahead and check out the sides. Neighbor has dogs, so that's gonna be something we have to deal with. But hopefully they're good dogs. Good dog. All right, guys, this side of the house. Oh, then you put the salad inside. Oh, that's a good idea. All right, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if I'm doing good or what I can do to make it better. Thanks for the opportunity.